Hey guys, I'm Rob. This is Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and today we're gonna welcome my new co-pilot. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? So this is Hoth, and Hoth is a 9-week-old Alaskan Malamute that we just picked up. We had to drive down to Saskatchewan to get him, and he's playful and he's full of spunk and all that other sort of stuff. So if you want to see him out in the tracker wheeling with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for the notification, and we'll catch you in the next one there, guys. Take her easy.